Hey everyone, check out the GASLAND Portable Induction Cooktop with 2 burners and 1800 watts of power. This sleek cooktop features dual heating zones so you can cook 2 dishes at once with ease. It offers 10 temperature settings from 140 to 464 degrees and 7 power levels to fit any cooking style. Safety is a priority with child locks, hot surface indicators, and an automatic shut-off feature for peace of mind. The smooth black crystal glass surface is easy to clean, and its slim design makes it portable for any kitchen or camping trip. Plus, it works perfectly with magnetic cookware like cast iron and stainless steel. Enjoy efficient, versatile cooking with the GASLAND Double Burner Induction Cooktop. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.